Hello, sir.
Start my class, sir.
Sir, shall I start? Okay, very good afternoon, students. Let me introduce myself. Myself, Kalishwaran, working in Adhiyamaan College of Engineering as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and aptitude trainer associated with Placement Training Center. I have been looking after this aptitude training for the past 4 years. I'm very happy to address you for the fifth batch 2020-21. Okay, let me share the PPT. Today's session related to quantitative aptitude. Okay. Before starting the presentation, I want to convey two things to you. The first one, here I am not going to teach any new concept. Rather, this session would recall your mathematical ability, which means the maths that already you learned in your higher education. This is the first thing. And second one is, for the first 15 minutes, I'm going to give some importance of aptitude training, why aptitude training is required for as a first year student. And after that, we having detailed discussion and solve logical problems. So I request every one of you to keep a paper and pen with you. Okay, this is the two things I want to convey to you before starting my presentation. Okay, let me start. While hearing the word quantitative aptitude, what would be the question comes to your mind? Probably there are two questions comes to your mind. The first one, as a first year student, why should I know aptitude? Whether it has been associated with syllabus. This is your first question. Once when you come to know the importance of aptitude, the next question comes in your mind is, what is aptitude? How to learn aptitude, how to prepare the aptitude. Okay, end of this session, you will get the answer for these questions. Okay, there are two questions. One is why aptitude as a first year student, why should I know aptitude? Right, and the second question is, okay, aptitude is important for me. You come to know aptitude is important for me. Then how to prepare the aptitude? In school side concern, okay, let's consider your school studies. The purpose of joining the school is fulfilled when you complete your final exam with good marks. But college is not like that. Once you enter the college, once you enter into the college, the syllabus is covering the syllabus is only 40%. After completing your graduation, only 40% of the task is completed. When it will be 100%, okay, when it will be 100%, the purpose of joining the college is fulfilled with 100%. It will be fulfilled by getting the job in right place. It will be fulfilled by getting the job in right place. So next few slides, I'm going to explain what is the role of aptitude to get the job. What is the importance of aptitude to get the job? Either it may be technical job, or technical job means engineering oriented job, or non-technical jobs, or higher studies. How it is helped to you are getting the admission in higher studies. Mostly it is the overview of job available after completing your degree. Mostly the job is classified in two categories. One is private job. These are some examples. TCS, right? TCS, CTS, Infosys. For software company, these are the examples for some software companies. If you are mechanical students, Ashok Leyland, TVS, these are the examples. They are the private sectors. And another one category is government job. The government is further classified in two categories. One is technical government job. Technical means engineering oriented jobs, right? NLC, IOCL, MPL. Okay, you need to clear gate exam to get the job in these private, public sectors. And another one is non-technical job. Non-technical job means TNPSC, UPSC, SSC, and banking. After getting your degree, you are all eligible for getting the job in these sectors: TNPSC, UPSC, SSC. But you need to clear various competitive exams. Okay. For higher studies like MBA, MCA, MS, you need to clear entrance exams like CAT, MAT, ZMAT. So overall, you have to write the exam for getting the job, either getting the job or higher studies. You have to write the competitive exams. Okay, aptitude is compulsory in these exams. Aptitude is compulsory in these exams. I have taken some screenshot from the website. Okay, this is the screenshot I have taken in TCS official website. Okay, in the TCS recruitment, here you can see the recruitment process of TCS. Okay, in the first round, they are conducting the written exams. Aptitude is the one of the portion. This is TCS syllabus, and this is Infosys selection process. Their recruitment process, recruitment pattern for Infosys 2021. I have taken the screenshot from the Infosys website. Here, the test pattern is mathematical ability 10 questions and analytical reasoning 15 questions and verbal ability 20 questions. Okay, for getting the job in private sector also, you need aptitude training. For clearing first round, when we come into the gate exam syllabus, gate exam pattern, 15% of weightage. You know very well gate exam, use of gate exam. Okay, you can get the job in public sectors and higher studies through gate exam. Okay, 15% weightage, 15% weightage due to aptitude in the gate exam. This is UPSC civil service preliminary exam pattern. In civil service preliminary exam, in preliminary there are two papers are there, and the second paper is CSAT. CSAT means civil service aptitude test. In civil service also you need to clear aptitude test. I hope all of you understood the importance of aptitude for your career. Next, now you got the answer for the first question. As a first year student, why should I know aptitude? Because after completing your degree, wherever the job or higher studies, you need to clear competitive exams. Aptitude is compulsory in these exams. That's why you come to know. That's why you want to know about aptitude. Next, what does mean by aptitude? How to approach the aptitude and how to prepare the aptitude? The dictionary meaning of aptitude is a natural ability to do something. This is the dictionary meaning. In technically, we can tell aptitude is the one of individual to solve numerical and mathematical calculation and logical problems. Why these companies or government sectors conducting aptitude tests in the selection process? You should think about this. Because aptitude is the tool to check your thinking ability in tough situation. Aptitude is the only tool to check your thinking ability in tough situation. That's why they are conducting aptitude tests. Okay, these are the three major areas in aptitude. The first one is quantitative aptitude. So quantitative aptitude is related to numerical problems. Numerical problems is like the problems from ratio and proportion, percentage, time and work, time and distance, permutation, combination, probability, data interpretation, data sufficiency, profit loss, simple interest, compound interest. These topics you are already studied. You have already studied in your school or higher educations. And this is the first one. Aptitude having three major areas. The first one is quantitative aptitude. So quantitative aptitude, they're related to problems comes from numerical problems like percentage, permutation, combination, probability like. And second one is logical reasoning. This is related the logical problems. This is related to how to solve logical problems. Like the topics are seating arrangement, syllogism, blood relation. These are the topic under come in logical reasoning. And third one is verbal reasoning. It is the tool to check your English grammar ability, verbal ability. So these are the three major area. In this session, we are going to discuss about the first two of aptitude. One is quantitative aptitude, another one is logical reasoning. The quantitative aptitude is related to numerical problem. That topics you are already studied in your school exams. Okay, as a beginner, you need three skills for aptitude training. You need to improve these three skills for aptitude training. The first one is number understanding. Each and every number having one unique identity. You should know that identity. Okay, I will give some example. What is number understanding? Then I will give an example. What is the use of understanding the character of the number? Each and every number having one unique identity. Suppose I'm telling the number 16. What is the identity of 16? If I tell 16, if you see the number 16, what will comes to your mind? 16 is 4 square. That is the identity of the number. For 17, I know very well 17 is the prime number. Like, and second one is equation formation. Equation formation. You should have improved your skill for writing the equation. Improve your skill on writing the equation. What does mean by equation formation? Simply we can tell. It is the equation is like write a story, but in the mathematical format. Equation is write a story in the mathematical formation. And third one is speed max, speed calculation. You should improve your calculation ability, like your basic mathematical calculation. You should improve your speed on some basic mathematical operation. Basic mathematical operation means like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and squares, square root. There are a lot of shortcuts there. Okay, these three skills very important. You are the first year students. From the second year and third year, you are going to start your aptitude training as well as technical training for your final year placement. Okay, before entering this training, you should improve these skills. What are the skills? One is number understanding. Each and every number having unique identity. You should know that identity. Then only you can solve the problem very easily. By seeing this number, this is the identity. So this is the answer. Okay, like that you can guess. And second one is equation formation. In some questions, application-based questions, mathematical application-based questions, it look like a story. Some mathematical-based application questions, it look like a story. You should write that story into mathematical format. Suppose a person has 2 apples and 5 banana with the cost total cost is 150. 2 apples and 5 banana. So apple and you can take it. Apple is x and banana is y. So 2x plus 5y. Okay, the worth of 150 rupees. 2x plus 5y, the worth of 150 rupees. This is the equation. 2x plus 5y equal to 150. Well, what does mean by equation formation? Write the story. What story given in the question? You have to write same story, but in the mathematical format. You should improve this skill. And third one is speed calculation. Some shortcut is there. You should know that shortcut. Okay, speed calculation means improve your speed on some basic mathematical operation like multiplication, addition, square root. Okay. Now you get this question. What is the difference between max and aptitude? What is the difference between max and aptitude? Aptitude is derived from max. Aptitude is derived from max. But what is that? How it is differ from the max? Okay, I can give the simple solution. Max has some set of rules, theorems, and laws. Max has some set of rules and theorems and laws. But when you see the same question through aptitude, when you see the same question through aptitude, you will enter with a different approach. You will enter with a different approach to find the solution. We are not using the traditional method. We are entering with a different approach to solve the same problem. Okay, you can understand this difference through an example. Okay, can you multiply 77 into 83 within 4 seconds? How to solve this question? Try to yourself. Try to solve this problem. How to solve this question within 4 seconds? Normally, some students may choose traditional method. Some students may choose a traditional method, or somebody doing this calculation through calculator. Try to find any another approach. Try to find any another approach to solve this problem. Try to find the another approach to solve this same problem. Okay. Do you remember this formula? A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Do you remember this formula? Yes, you already studied in your school days. But what is the connection between this formula and this problem? What is the connection between this formula and this problem? What is the problem? The problem is sum is 77 into 83. Okay, 77 into 83. 77 we can write 80 minus 3. Is it correct? 77 we can write 80 minus 3. And 83 we can write this is 80 plus 3. Yes, it is right. Okay, so here 80 is the A and 3 is B. 80 plus 3 and 80 minus 3. So the final answer is 80 square. 80 square is the simple. 80 square is 6400 minus A square. A square is 80 square is 6400 minus B square. B square equal to 3 square equal to 9. So the final answer is 6391. This is aptitude approach. Okay, so what is meant by aptitude? When you see the same problem, when you see the same mathematical problem in the through aptitude, you will enter with different approach to solve the solution, to find the solution. Okay, A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. This is already studied. But aptitude thinking is using this method to solve this problem. That is aptitude. You should improve the skill. When you can improve the skill, only you can understand the concept and understand the application. Even max formula also, you should understand the application, where it is applicable. Okay. This is 80 minus 3 and 80 plus 3. I already explained. And next, we are entering into the important concept of aptitude training is number system. Okay, next, entering into the important concept of aptitude is number system. each and every number having one unique identity. I want to make you understand number system through one activity. I want to make you understand, okay, how to improve the skill on number system, how to improve the skill on number system, how to familiar with numbers. You should be familiar with the numbers. Here I am having one activity test to test your memory skill. Okay, uh, what is this? This is a mobile photo. We are all familiar with at least 5 mobile numbers. 5 mobile numbers we can tell without seeing contacts. Okay, at least 5 mobile numbers we having in our memory. 5 mobile numbers. One mobile number equal to 10 digit. A 5 mobile number equal to 50 digit. 50 digit we are having in our memory. But we can't spell the other number without seeing the other card. Even though Aadhaar is more important than mobile here. Do you know what is the reason? Do you know what is the reason? Because we are spending more time on mobile numbers. Then only that's why we are familiar with mobile numbers. You use same concept in real numbers. So hereafter, you have to spend more time on numbers, not mobile numbers. The near real numbers, natural numbers. There are a lot of categories of numbers there. You should spend more time on numbers. Then only you can familiar with that numbers. Okay, sir. Now one question: how to know the identity? What do you think about 144? I already told each and every number having one unique identity. What is the identity of 144? When you see the 144, what will comes in your mind? Yes, it is 12 square. Okay, what is the identity of 81? This is 9 square. Can you tell the identity of 2? What is the identity of 2? Can you tell the identity of 2? Anyone? Can you tell the identity of 2? Yes, is this the least prime number? This is the least prime number and the only one even prime number. This is the identity of 2. And what is the identity of 512, 512? This is 8 cube. Okay. Now one question. Sir, what is the use of knowing the identity of number? Okay. Here I am showing one example. Okay. 333 into 33.33. Can you find out in 5 seconds? Can you find the answer? 333 into 33.33. Okay, how to find the answer in 5 seconds? By seeing the number 33.33, you know very well. This is not ordinary number like 17, 18, 20, 21. 33.33 having some unique speciality. You know very well. What is the speciality of, what is the identity of 33.33? Okay, 33.33 is 100 by 3. 100 by 3 equal to 33.33. 100 by 3 equal to 33.33. So instead of 33.33, we can use 100 by 3. So 333 into 100 by 3. 333 into 100 by 3. Now cancelling 1 times of 33, 1 times of 3 equal to 3. This is triple 1 times. So finally answer is 11,100. Finally answer is 11,100, but the calculator answer is 11,099.88. Approximately it is 11,100. Okay, it is possible. Only you know the identity of the number. If you don't know about 100 by 3 equal to 33.33, definitely you will choose a traditional method to solve this problem. It will take more than 1 or 2 minutes. But If you know the identity of the number, you can solve this question within 5 seconds. I hope all of you understand the importance of identity, knowing the identity of number. Okay. The next, x square equal to 72 into 128. X square equal to 72 into 128. Now x equal to root of 72 into 128. Okay, how to approach this problem through aptitude. Instead of this question, suppose the question is like root of 36 into 25. You will get the answer very easy. Compared to this problem, the root of 36 into 25 is very easy, I think. What is the answer? Root of 36 into 25. Root of 36 is 6 and root of 25 is 5. So the answer is 30. This is very easy. But the 72 and 128, 72 and 128, both the numbers are not a perfect square numbers. Next, you should know the identity of 128. What do you think about 128? What do you think about 128? Shall I write, okay, 128, 2 into 64. Shall I write 2 into 64 equal to 128 and 72. I want to change this question. Yes. 72, this 128 equal to 2 into 64. This 128 equal to 2 into 64. This 2 multiply with 72. What is the answer? Is 144. When you multiply this 2 to 72, you will get the answer as 144. So finally, the question will come like 144 into 64. Now I think this is very easy to solve. What is the root of 144? This is 12. What is the root of 64? Is 8. This is the difference between mathematical approach and the aptitude approach. If you see this problem, if you take a traditional mathematical method, here 72 into 128, you will get to 4-digit number, higher 4-digit number, and you take some time to solve root of that 4-digit number. Okay. Another one interesting fact. 333 factorial is odd number or even number? This question is already asked in our college campus interview. I have taken from that question paper. 333 factorial is odd number or even number? So most of them are thinking 333 factorial is odd number, but this is even number. How it is even number? You think what is 333 factorial? What is 333 factorial? 333 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 333. 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 333, or reverse manner, 333 into 332 into up to 1. So here you see 2 into any number, the answer should be even number. 2 into any number, the answer should be even number. 2 into any number, the answer is even number. Or another one is, what is 5 factorial? Think about 5 factorial. Think about 5 factorial. What is 5 factorial? So 5 factorial is 120. So 5 factorial is 120 and 6 factorial. Suppose 5 factorial is 120, 6 factorial is 120 into 6, right? 6 into 5 factorial. And 7 factorial is 120 into 6 into 7. Like the factorial value after 5 should be end with 0 because 5 factorial is 0. 6 factorial is 5 factorial is 120 end with 0. 6 factorial is 120 into 6. 7 factorial is 120 into 7. Whatever the number multiply with 120, the final answer is end with 0. If the number end with 0, the number should be even number, not odd number. These are the interesting. Can you find the reminder? Can you find the reminder of this question? I will give 10-second time to find this answer. Here I am not bothering about the question. I'm not asking the exact answer. I'm asking the reminder in this question. By seeing this question, by in traditional mathematical approach, you try to multiply 53 into 54 into 55 into 56 into 57 into 58. But 1 times of 19 equal to 19 and 3 times of 19 equal to 57. 1 times of 19 equal to 19 and 3 times of 19 equal to 57. Whatever the answer here we are getting, right? Whatever the answer here we are getting, that answer is not a reminder. That answer is quotient. Here the reminder is 0. Here the reminder is 0. There is no reminder in this question. Okay. We can see some more examples. And now we are entering to the second equation formation. Okay, I think I already told the 3 skills are important. The first one is number understanding. What is meant by number understanding? So understand the character or identify the character of the particular numbers. It will help you to solve the problem in an easy manner. It will help you to find the solution with a different approach. And second one is equation formation. I already told. Equation formation is write the question, the same story you have to write, but in the mathematical format. The story should be in mathematical format. Okay, can you solve this question? I'll give 10 seconds. Okay, most of them answer is 25. So most of them answer is 25, but answer is 21. But the answer is 21. How it is 21? Okay, so from the first figure, we know very well apple is 7. Then you substitute 7 values here. So grapes is 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Then apple is 7. So here banana equal to 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Banana equal to 6. Here we have to see 3 banana equal to 6. Here we can see 3 banana equal to 6. What is the rate of single banana? Is 2. Grape is 12. Apple is 7. So the final answer is 21. This is a simple example for understanding the equation formation. Okay, the next question. Write the equation for this figure. There are 2 figures are given in the question. Okay, write the equation for these 2 figures. You have to write 2 equations. First one, you write the equation for this figure and write the equation for second one. Okay, we want to find the height of the table. Want to find the height of the table. Okay, uh, shall I write table height plus this is cat. Okay, this is cat. This is turtle. Table height plus cat height minus turtle height equal to 170. Is it correct or not? Table height plus cat height minus turtle height equal to 120. This is the equation for first question. Okay, you have to write the same equation for second question. Table height plus turtle height minus cat height equal to 130. These two equations are like this. You cancel minus turtle to plus turtle. When we add these two equation, the minus turtle and plus turtles are getting cancelled, and plus cat minus cats are getting cancelled. So finally, you will get two table equal to 300 rupees. Finally, you will get two table is 300 rupees. So what is the height of the table? What is the height of the table is 150. Okay, so once again, repeating this question. This is the best example for understanding equation formation. Okay, we can write the equation for figure, we can write the equation for story, but the story should be in mathematical format. Okay, table height in the first equation, listen, this table height plus cat height, minus turtle height is 170. Here the table height plus turtle height minus cat height is 130. So when we adding these two equation, okay, finally two table is 300, one table is 150. The height of the table is 150. The next one, so here I am writing here I am writing one equation for aptitude. This is not a sum. This is just for fun. Okay, here I am writing one equation for learning aptitude. Okay. Most of them are thinking study equal to no fail. This is the equation, study equal to for other subject. For other subject, they are thinking study equal to no fail. Okay, no study equal to fail. No study equal to fail. When we add these two equation, finally we will get study plus no study equal to no fail plus fail. Study plus no study equal to no fail plus fail. Take study is a common. Here fail is the common. Take out study is the common and fail is the common. You can get the equation like study equal to 1 plus no, fail equal to 1 plus no. Then both the side you cancelling 1 plus no, 1 plus no. Both the side you are cancel 1 plus no, 1 plus no. Finally, what answer you will get? Study equal to fail. This is the equation. Don't think take this wrong. This is the equation only for aptitude. Don't study the maths. Don't study the concept. Don't study the aptitude. Try to understand the each concept and try to find out the possible application. Try to find out the possible application for this particular concept. Try to search the application. If you come to learn one topic, if you are going to learn one topic, okay, after that you should search where it is applicable. Okay, this is the equation for aptitude. Finally, you will get a study equal to fail. Okay, don't study, try to understand. It will help you to improve your mathematical skill. Okay. And next important question. Here we can understand, from this question we can understand what is the difference between maths and aptitude. Okay, 9y plus 10z equal to 356. So what is the value of y? Is it possible in mathematical view? If you solve this problem through mathematical approach, is it possible? So find the answer. This is not possible because why? As per the mathematical rules, we need two equation for finding the two unknowns. We need two equation for finding the two unknowns, but here only one equation, but we need to find two unknowns. What is the value of y? How to find the value of y? If you know the value of z, then only you can find the value of y. Here we don't know about y, z. Then how to find the value of y? Okay, let's start with aptitude view. Okay, let's see the problem through aptitude view. You can solve this problem through unit digit approach. If you try to solve this problem through unit digit approach, what is the unit digit approach? Okay, if 72 into 64, if 72 into 64, we don't know about, within 1 second we can't find the answer, but we can find the answer should be end with 8. This is unit digit approach, right? We can't find the answer, but we know very well the answer should be end with 8. Yes, here z may be any number. Okay, the equation is 10z plus 9y. Z may be any number. Z may be 1 or 2 or 3, any number. This answer is end with 0. This answer is end with 0. This is the first step. This is the first step. Z may be any number. The answer end with 0. Then your final answer is 356. Your final answer is 356. Here 0. This is addition process. Here end with 6. But what is the number in this place? What is the number in this place? 0 plus which number? Answer is 6. 0 plus which number? Answer is 6. 0 plus 6. Answer is 6. 0 plus 6. Answer is 6. Now the question. Now one question. 9 into which number multiplication will give the answer unit digit is 6? 9 into which number? 9 into which number multiplication answer end with 6? 9 into which number answer multiplication end with 6? 4. Then only the option 14 end with 4. This question asked in GATE 2014. This question already asked in GATE 2014. If you see this question through traditional mathematical approach, you can't find the answer. Because as per the mathematical rules, you need two equations for finding two unknowns. But we can get the answer through aptitude approach, which means here we are using unit digit method. We don't know about exact answer, but we know that we are clear with unit digit of the result. Okay. So our final answer is 14. Another one interesting fact. 1 into 1 equal to 1. And 11 into 11. 1 into 1 equal to 1. And 11 into 11 equal to 11 has two ones. So you have to write 1, 2 1 circle. 2 ones. 1, 2. Again it goes to 1. And triple 1 into triple 1. Triple 1 has 3 ones. So you have to write 1, 2. The final answer is 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. Then you are going to descending order. 1, 2, 3. Again 2, 1. And 1111. Right? And 1111. It has 4, 1. So answer is 1, 2, 3. Again 4. Then you go to descending order 3, 2, 1. These are the one of the character of these numbers. So do you know worth of this? Do you know worth of this? Actually, I have taken this picture from YouTube. Okay, this is question asked in one game show. The worth is 1 lakh price. What is the answer for this question? When multiplied by itself, which number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4? The final answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, descending order 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you find the answer? This is worth of this question is 1 lakh price, 1 lakh rupees. So here so a number goes up to 9. Again, it goes to descending order. The final answer is B, 9 times of 1. The final answer is B, 9 times of 1. Okay, move to the next question. Next, speed max. Okay, first number understanding. The second one is equation formation. The first one is number understanding, and second one is equation formation, and third one is speed max. Speed max means improve your skill, mathematical calculation speed, improve your mathematical calculation speed on some basic mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and square root. Okay, lot of shortcuts are there in speed max, but we have only short time. So I here am showing one simple example. Okay, x squared tricks for the number end with x squared tricks. The number end with 5. What about 35 squared? How to find the answer in this? Okay. Here we need to follow 2 steps to find the answer. We need to follow 2 steps to find the answer. Okay, the first step is 5 square always end with 25. 5 square always end with 25. The first step is 5 square always end with 25. So then cancelling digit 5 in the number. The second step is cancelling digit 5 in the number. What is the remaining digit? The remaining digit is 3. It should be multiplied with consecutive number, which means next number. It should be multiplied with consecutive number, which means next number is 4. 3 into 4 equal to 12. The final answer is 1225. Okay. Once again, I am repeating this shortcut. $35 square. 35 square. There are 2 steps. The first step is 5 square always end with 25. 5 square always end with 25. And the second step is cancelling digit 5 in the number. Cancelling digit 5 in the number. And what about the remaining digit is 3. It should be multiplied with the next number, consecutive number 4. The 3 into 4 equal to 12. So the final answer is 1225. And next one is 65 square. Okay, these are some practice questions. 65 square. So 5 square end with 25. 5 square end with 25. Okay, and the remaining, and cancelling 5 digit 5 in the number, and the remaining digit is 6. 6 should be multiplied with next number. 6 into the next number is 7. 6 into 7 equal to 42. 6 into 7 equal to 42. And what about 115 square? So 5 square end with 25. Okay, 5 square end with 25. Cancelling number digit 5 in the number, and the remaining digit is 11. It should be multiplied with the next number is 12. 11 into 12 equal to 132. What about remaining numbers? If the number, what about how to find the value of 42 square and 43 square? 42, 43, like that, while remaining numbers. Okay, here we need to follow 3 steps. You can note. Okay, here we need to follow 3 steps. The first step is last digit square. The first step is last digit square. And the second step is you multiply all the numbers, which means 43 square means 4 into 3 into the square value 2 is there. So 4 into 3 into 2. This is the second step. The first step is last digit square, and the second step is multiply all the numbers 4 into 3 into 2. The numbers available in 43 square. This is second step. And third step is first digit square. You can find the square value of any number using this method. Okay, 43 square. What is the first step? Last digit square. 3 square equal to 9. And the second step, what is the second step? Multiplying all the numbers. 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 3 equal to 12 into 2 equal to 24. 24 4 can carry 2. Okay. And last step is first digit square. What is the first digit? 4. 4 square equal to 16. 16 plus 2 equal to 18. 4 square equal to 16. 16 plus 2 equal to 18. Okay. Some more example. If the number 73 square. If the number 73 square. If the number 73 square. You need to follow 3 steps. Okay, you need to follow 3 steps. Okay, what is the first step? Last digit square. Last digit square, 3 square equal to 9. What is the second step? Multiply all the numbers are multiply all the digits in the number. All the digits. What are the digits? 7 into 3, including 2. The square value 2 should be multiplied. Okay, 7 into 3 equal to 21. 21 into 2 equal to 42. 21 into 2 equal to 42. Okay, remaining you should 4 is carry. Okay, and 7 square. What is the last step? 7 square equal to 49. 49 plus 4 equal to 53. Okay, another one example. Number 82 square. Number 82 square. How to solve this 82 square? The same 3 steps. How to solve this 82 square? The same 3 steps. What is the first step? Unit digit square. What is the first step? Unit digit square. 2 square equal to 4. What is the second step? You should careful on this step. Okay, multiply all the digits in the number. Multiply all the digits. What are the digits are there? 82. 8 into 2, including the square 2 also. Including the square 2 also. Right, 8 into 2 into 2. 16 into 2 equal to 32. 32 ku 2. So we carry 3. Okay, and what is the last step? Your first digit square. 8 square equal to 64. Right, 64 plus 3 equal to 67. 8 square equal to 64. 64 plus 3 equal to 67. Okay, this is a square approach. And how to multiply the 2-digit number that is nearby 100. For example, 97 into 98. Okay, how to multiply the 2-digit number, that number near to 100. Okay, here we need to follow 3 steps. Here we need to follow 3 steps. What is the first step? This 97 is compared to 100. What is the first step? The 97 is compared to 100. The answer is minus 3. When 97 is compared to 100, his answer is 90. 97 is compared to 100, the answer is minus 3. And 98 compared to 100 is answer is minus 2. This is the first step. How to multiply two digit numbers, that two numbers also nearby 100, near 100. So we need to follow 3 steps. In that first step, 97 is compared to 100. The answer is minus 3. When 98 is compared to 100, answer is minus 2. This is the first step. And second step, odd the number, the addition or the cross numbers, 97 plus minus 2, 98 minus 3. Do the addition process in cross direction. Do the addition process in cross direction. 97 minus 2, 98 minus 3. So 97 minus 2, 95, and 98 minus 3 also 95. Okay. Here base value is 100, so we have to add 2 zeros. Here base value is 100, we need to add 2 zeros. And last step is minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 equal to plus 6. So final answer is 9506. The final answer is 9506. Okay, one more example. What is 99 into 98? 99 into 98. Okay, 3 steps. What is the first step? 99 and 98 compared to 100. The answer is minus 1. Here the answer is minus 2. This is the first step. First step is 99, 98 compared to 100. And the second step is do the addition process in cross direction. Do the addition process in cross direction. 99 minus 2 equal to 97. 98 minus 1 also 97. This is the second step. Okay. And we need to add 2 zeros because base value is 100. We need to add 2 zeros because base value is 100. Again, minus 1 into minus 2 equal to plus 2. So the final answer is 9702. The final answer is 9702. Don't add the number minus 1 minus 2 equal to plus 3. Don't add the number. Multiply the number minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 1 into minus 2 equal to plus 2. So the final answer is 9702. Now, what is 98 square? Can anyone tell the answer 98 square? What is 98 square? So don't go with a traditional mathematical approach, 98 into 98 or other 98 square shortcut. Last digit square, multiply all the numbers. And another one shortcut is there for multiplying 98 square. We can use nearby 100 method for this problem. Okay, what is mean by 98 square? 98 square means 98 into 98. Okay, use nearby 100 method. Here minus 2, here also minus 2, right? Here minus 2, here also minus 2, and do the addition cross direction. So 98 minus 2 equal to 96. Then 2 zeros. 2 into 2 equal to 4. So the final answer is 9604. The final answer is 9604. We can use this same method. We can use the same method for three digit number. The number 997 into 998. We can use same method for this problem. Okay, instead of 2 zeros here in this problem, we need to add 3 zeros. Okay, that is the difference. And one more example, 103 into 104. What is the first step? Compared to 100, the answer is plus 3. and compared to 100, the answer is plus 4. So do the addition process in cross direction. 103 plus 4 equal to 107. Then you need to add two zeros. Okay, and final step is 3 into 4 equal to 12. Don't add the number. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Okay, 3 into 4 equal to 12. So the final answer is 10712. 10712. This is the last slide, last question. This is the last slide, last question. What is 1025 square? What is 1025 square? It is the combination of two methods, right? First, what is the first method we have discussed in speed max calculation? Yeah, the number end with 5 square. How to solve the number end with 5 square? And second method is how to solve the numbers near to 100. This is the combination of two. This is the combination of two. This is the final slide. How to solve this? So, okay. First, 5 square equal to 25. 5 square equal to 25. 5 square equal to 25. Cancelling, what is the second step? Cancelling digit 5 in the number. Cancelling digit 5 in the number. Cancelling digit 5 in the number. The remaining digit is 102 should be multiplied with 103. The remaining digit 102 should be multiplied with 103. Okay, so here plus 2 plus 3. So cross addition, this is 105. Then two zeros we need to add. Two zeros we need to add. Finally, 2 into 3 equal to plus 6. So the final answer is 1050625. This is the answer. 1050625. Like you have to think. This is the integration. This is the combination of two methods. Okay. Now, what is 68 into 72? Which method we can use here? 68 into 72. Which method we can use? Yes, we can use a plus b into a minus b method. We can use a plus b into a minus b method. Okay, 68, we can write 70 minus 2. 72, we can write, this is 70 plus 2. The finally answer is 70 square minus 2 square. 70 square equal to 4,900. 70 square equal to 4,900. 7 square equal to 49. 70 square equal to 4,900 minus 2 square equal to 4. So the final answer is 4,896. The final answer is 4,896. Like some more example. What is the value of 16 into 45? What is the value of 16 into 45? What is the value of 16 into 45? Okay, instead of multiplying 16 times of 45, just 16 we can write 8 into 2. 16 we can write 8 into 2. 8 into 2 into 45. 8 into 2 into 45. Now this 2 into 45 equal to 90. Okay, 8 into 90 equal to 720. 8 into 90 equal to 720. Okay, if some 18 times of suppose 18 times of 35. If you see the question, when you see the question like 18 times of 35, you just calculate 9 times of 70. 18 times of 35. This is very easy. 18 times of, instead of calculating 18 times of 35, It is easy to calculate 9 times of 70. It is easy to calculate 9 times of 70 equal to 630. This is very easy. Okay, 18 times of 35. Instead of that 18 times of 35, we can calculate 9 times of 79 into 70 equal to 630. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.